Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best electric scooter under $1,000. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and I've included options for every type of customer. So if you're looking for the best product money can buy, well, the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Number 5. Brand name, Juchaeye. This electric scooter for adult features disc brake and anti-lock braking system, which effectively prevent accidents. It also features an ultra-bright LED front light for the night, and red taillights flash distinctly while braking as a warning to other pedestrians and vehicles on the road. Front and rear disc brakes, 500-watt electric scooter carry 10-inch vacuum explosion-proof tires and a powerful motor. Maximum speed up to 25 miles per hour. But try not to ride on rainy or slippery roads, which will not only affect the battery life, but also be unsafe. Foldable design that can be readily stored, occupying little space. One-step folding system for easy portability. Juchaeye X48 electric scooter can be folded with ease in mere 5 seconds. Carry it on public transportation, store it in your car and any destination you desire effortlessly. This electric scooter features an upgraded 500-watt hub motor, can deal with regular slope easily. High-quality lithium battery provides a maximum mileage of 62.5, perfectly capable for a short distance trip. When you receive our electric scooter, just follow the instructions to restore the folded scooter. The seat is removable and adjustable. You can choose whether to install the seat according to your preference. Then turn on the LCD display, press and hold the start button. The scooter can be started. Number 4. Brand name, KUGOO. 8.5-inch tire, taking into account the shock absorption and safety, riding more comfortable. It has a 7.5 ampere-hour high-capacity lithium battery which allows for a longer range and higher speeds. The strong driving force, 350-watt motor, maximum 25 kilometers running distance. Maximum supported weight 100 kg, maximum speed 25 km/h, and charging time 4 to 6 hours. Featured 3-level adjustable speed settings to meet your preferences. Download the app and pair your KUGOO ES2 e-scooter via Bluetooth. It allows you to access controls on your fingertips, powering other mobile devices with a built-in USB port. The headlight consists of a wide array of bright LEDs, allows safer rides during the night. LED strip on the side of the chassis allows riders to be seen in low lights. Comprehensive electric and disc brake system allows a safer ride. 3 seconds fast folding design, stable and convenient. 112 into 33 into 43 centimeters folding size, space saving, and portable to carry, easily cope with heavy traffic. Aluminum alloy plus ABS plus PC material provides sufficient insurance for your driving safety. Number 3. Brand name, Janobike. The electric scooters are alternative to quickly get you to your destination in urban areas, instead of waiting for the bus, train, and other vehicles. So Janobike electric scooter is one of the heaviest e-scooter in markets. Features like battery power, motor power, speed, all this thing make you fall in love with this e-scooter. It can bear up to 120 kilograms weight on smooth terrain. This scooter is very fast and has a max driving speed of 45 kilometers. It can take 8 to 10 hours to fully charge. The scooter can hold a person well over 120 kilograms, which is nothing short of awesome. It has some really off-road tires. The tire size is 8 inches, which give you both smooth and rough road riding. Its foot platform is large and easy to stand on. Equipped with both front and rear disc brake, which gives you not only good but reliable braking. The scooter is made out of all aluminum alloy, which is well known to be a very durable substance. The scooter has a lithium-ion battery with a voltage of 48. The scooter has a 200-watt brushless motor. This type of motor gives you more control when you can at high speed. One more feature in this scooter is it has an option of an adjustable seat. It is laced with an ultra-bright headlight, a rear reflector and a bell for an extra secured ride be it day or night. Number 2. Brand name, Xiaomi. The perfect combination of practicality and beauty, taking you to further places. Maximum range 28 miles or 45 kilometers. When commuting to work, press S to go faster. When cruising around the park, press D, and in crowded areas, you can turn on the pedestrian mode to go slower. Simply double press the power button to switch between modes and easily adjust the speed to your surroundings. 600-watt powerful motor performance and 25 km/h maximum speed, 3 speed modes to easily adjust your speed to your environment. Super long range battery, a full charge can take you 45 kilometers. It only takes 3 seconds to fold the scooter together. After folding, the vehicle is compact and takes up less space, making it easy to fit in the trunk. The body is made of low-density high-strength aerospace-grade aluminum alloy material and can carry a load of up to 100 kilograms. With a net weight of 14.2 kilograms, it can easily be taken anywhere at any time. 6 smart protections keep the battery safe and extend battery life. Use the Mi Home app to monitor the condition at your battery. If there is a problem, the app will notify you immediately. Mi Scooter Pro 2 can be connected to the Mi Home app via Bluetooth to lock and unlock, to monitor riding data and to customize cruise control settings. You can also enjoy new features and achieve a more comfortable riding experience through firmware upgrades. Front and back double braking system. Kinetic energy of braking and non-powered coasting can be easily converted into usable electrical energy to further improve the cruising range. Central controls designed for a better riding experience. Number 1. Brand name, RUIMA. Highly water-resistant body and motors. There are 2 headlights with which increases visibility greatly at nights. They are mounted low on the footpad and doesn't blind other people in the traffic. Brake light that really helps others keep track on when you're slowing down. Intelligent LCD display. This allows you to all the information you may need, such as battery status, mileage, power and speed mode. Dual suspension, you assured riding comfort thanks to front and rear spring shock absorbers. Improved super fast folding system. Speedway Mini 4 Pro is portable as it can be fully folded with the aid of a single click of the lever on the platform. With applied 500-watt BLDC hub motor, it can provide the best performance at speed, power, climbing ability among those portable electric scooter. Efficient front and back mudguards allow you to use it on wet surfaces by making sure you are well protected from splashing water and mud. Different speed modes to choose from to accommodate both beginners and advanced users.